Hello again, it's Harry here, your geriatric nurse from Toronto, Canada. Just back for more information dissemination for the care of the older adults and their caregivers. Since it's the Skin Awareness Week just passed, I decided to discuss something about the skin. The skin may give us more information than skin deep. um, we have to always promote the wellness of the skin because it can mirror the overall health of the older adult. Okay? So you can promote it by having a good exercise, eating well, making sure rest is there, and managing those chronic conditions if they have it. Okay? uh, because it's crucial to always take care of it by ways of doing those things because um, you'll see differences in the skin if they start to deteriorate. Yeah, like for example, the skin can give you a clue as to how the cognition of a person is. Like for example, if hygiene is lacking, that can give you something. Sometimes also the mood can play a part in how the skin is. So, because they're withdrawn, they do not want to do anything, then their skin starts to deteriorate. They start, for example, to have a bed sore. Uh, Sometimes, if their chronic conditions is not managed, then you can see it definitely in the skin. For example, for the heart, you'll see that their legs would be swollen, or sometimes they may be bluish or reddish in color. If there's an unmanaged diabetes, those small cuts can turn to big wounds. uh, so it's very important to do daily checks of the skin, do efforts to take care of the skin. um, that's it for this week. Hope all of you will have a good Mother's Day weekend. And next week, I'll be discussing something about myself, being next week as Nurses Week. So take care and see you again.